Today I'm going to show you how to make this pop-out effect using Canva. After opening your Canva project, go to Elements and search for blue background C. Use photo, and I'm going for this one, and then search for dolphin. And that would be perfect. Again, go to Elements and search for hand holding smartphone. Click on photo, and I'm going for this one. For this design, I'm going to flip it horizontally. Let's adjust the size and adjust the position of the image as well. And don't forget to place it behind the phone. And duplicate this. Put it here for now. And let's copy it exactly with the corner of the phone. For this image, let's remove the background of this one and align it with the previous one. And that's it. There is the final result. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.